What is good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. And if you are not, I hope I can make your mood a little bit better. So make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video. That way you can like work with me and just like enjoy. You feel me? Grab some snacks, grab a drink, and just enjoy the video. If you're not feeling like producing right now, that's fine. That's fine. But come back later to this video and make some beats with me. You feel me? But today I'm looking sharp. I'm looking fresh. I'm looking clean. Oof. So that means we're going to make some fire beats, bro. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, feel me? Let's just dive right into the video. Let's get it. Since I'm in a good mood, I got this plugin called Uphoria and super fire plugin, bro. Wow, you guys know I love to test out new plugins, so that is what we're doing today. We're testing out Uphoria. This is the interface of the plugin. We got like some 808 sounds right here, but if you go over here and then right click, like double click, you get like basses, bells, brass, all the good stuff, you feel me? So I'm just going to search for like a sound that I like and try to make a beat with it, something really like feel good and inspiring, you feel me? So let's get it. So we're starting off really simple. I'm going to add some drums right now, just create like a little bit of a bounce, and then we're adding some more counter melodies. And now my favorite 808 is the Lucid 808 from my Astro drum kit. So I know the melody is really basic right now, but we're just going to like flip it like we always do. But so far I'm loving this plugin. Make sure to go check it out. The link is in the description, gang. Okay, so let's render out this melody, like this little sound. I like half timed it and stuff. I want to try and flip this into like something really wavy and just like something different, you feel me? I love to like experiment and just like try new things, you feel me? So what I want to add right now is just like a little siren type of stuff, like shee! Just like Wheezy adds on to like Gunna his sounds, you feel me? So I'm going to add that in there, mess around with it a little bit, add like one last counter melody, and then it's done, bro. We made some fire, something really unique. I can definitely hear Gunna on this one. Cheese! 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 right now all we need to do is strum this. So Option S or Alt S, and then just like strum it like crazy. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. This really reminded me of like a Wheezy type beat for Gunna. So this tutorial showed you how to make like a Wheezy type beat for Gunna from scratch, all inside of FL Studio. So I hope you enjoyed it. Before we go, don't run away. We already got some submissions with the hashtag Gunna beats. So we got some posts right here. This post is from Culture. Let me hear it. This beat is called Space. Okay, I like that melody. That's fire. That's fire. Keep working. This next one is also a Gunna type beat. So let's listen to this one. This better be hard, bruh. The drop. Ooh, that flute. Ooh, this one is hard, bruh. Hey, shout out to Wheezy. Shout out to Wheezy, bruh. Fire. This one really caught my eye. This one is from MR1 from Morocco. Oof, oof, oof. Shit. I get it back and flip it. I get the cash and flip it. Wearing this jewelry on me. Na 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 na. Oof. Yeah. Making these YouTube videos. For my lovely subscribers. Don't worry. This one is fire, bro. That shit is hard. That shit is hard, bro. So if you want me to listen to your beats and give you some feedback, like at the end of every video, I'm going to try and listen to your beats. So just use the hashtag Gunna beats. Like we already got a couple in there. So that is fire. I really appreciate you guys. Anyways, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Gunna beats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.